Okay, this is a constructed wetland. Constructed wetland is a technique of cleaning gray or maybe even black water. Gray water is whatever comes out of your house minus system, or liquids that come out of the toilets, and our hand washing water that comes out of the sinks in the toilets, and our water that comes out of the sink in the tea house. Like whenever they wash the plates, everything comes to here. And the first station is a settling tank. A settling tank, you see that black plastic peeking out of the ground over there?
No.
Look more left. More left.
Oh, yeah.
No, a lot more left, where the children are.
Oh, yeah. You
Yeah?
mean that little big garbage?
Exactly. That little garbage can inside, that's a settling tank. Settling tank is a very simple technique. Every conventional sewage system has it. The way it works is the sludge sinks to the bottom, okay? And all the fats and oils flow to the top. But whatever comes out of the middle is water that's already a bit cleaner now, okay? And then it starts the process of going through this one bathtub, this tank, this other bathtub. This whole system takes about 3 weeks of filtering through small gravel and through roots of plants. And when it comes out the other side, it's already brought to a level you can irrigate trees with it. And we give it to our, fruit trees, our fig trees, our olive trees, our mulberry trees, and they love it. And we save water, and we reuse water, and we learn to live with what we have, not to be wasteful. One more thing I forgot to tell you, I'm sorry, I just have to say it, about the composting toilet. Israel is, according to UN definitions, Israel is in a severe water crisis, or severe lack of water, something like that, which means, I don't remember the numbers, but we have a lot less than every human being should have, according to the UN. So every time you flush the toilet, it brings down, depending on the toilet, but it brings down usually 9 liters of drinking water every time you flush it. So we save lots of water using the compost toilets. Side note, I had to say it because I know we have a UN person here.
How do you know? I didn't say it.
I know everything. There's a vibe, I can feel it.
FBI.
Exactly, the FBI, ask the FBI. Questions about this system? Or do you guys want to get your hands dirty? Let's get our hands dirty. Okay.
You didn't wait for the answer.
Do we have a choice?
Okay.
No.
Okay, so once a year, a sewage company comes and sucks the oils out and the sludge out. They take it to a lot, to a factory, like a waste treatment factory. They clean it, and eventually it turns into compost. It goes to agriculture.
Okay.
By the way, 70% of sewage water in Israel is treated, not in this system, in more conventional systems, is treated and brought back for irrigation for trees. That's one thing you need to know. The other thing you need to know is we have the exact same system, but a lot bigger outside of the kibutz, and all the water from the kibutz goes into it, including all the water from the dairy farm, including the water from the domestic sewage, including everything. So we pretty much clean our own sewage here in Lotan.